I can't tell you how many times I've heard the beginning of the Mozart played this way in auditions. The notes are there, but there's something not quite right, is there? I'm going to try to help you find ways to put it all together so that you can impress the people you're playing for and get a big scholarship. So let's first get the notes in your head, in your ear. And a quick way to do it is this way. Dee da da ba da ba ba ba. Be-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Do you see how that goes? So do that as many times as you need until you have that tune in your mind. I bet some of you even have it in your mind even now. Perhaps you've played it. Then you can take bigger sections. It's very important to have the pitches of those notes in your head.